My name is Ben Long, and I'm an attorney at RSH Legal. If you've been injured in a semi-truck accident in Iowa, you may not know that getting a fair settlement for your injuries can be a more difficult process than if you were in a regular car crash. There are a few reasons why this is the case. Trucking accident law is different than car accident law because truckers are held to a higher standard. Truck drivers have to get special licenses, comply with special medical requirements, perform specialized inspections of their vehicles before every trip, and comply with other state and federal laws and regulations that do not apply to other motorists. Determining whether a truck driver is complying with the laws and regulations can include determining when the trucker last stopped, when they slept, when they last inspected their semi, when maintenance was last done on the semi, how quickly they traveled between 2 points on their driver logs, the speed limits on the roads they took between 2 points. Any potential violations of these strict standards could point towards wrongdoing on the part of the trucker. A knowledgeable semi-truck accident attorney knows to send a retention of evidence letter to the trucking company, the truck driver, and the trucker's insurance company as soon as possible. This letter will keep these driver logs and other documents safe from destruction so they can be evaluated by your lawyer. Without these documents, you are much less likely to receive the settlement you deserve. Hiring a trucking industry expert witness is one of the ways an experienced trucking accident attorney can help strengthen your case. Because a semi-truck accident is so complicated, these witnesses are necessary parts of any accident lawsuit. These experts are trained in trucking regulations and can point out any inconsistencies or violations to your lawyer. They also use scientific evidence to determine exactly what happened during the accident. An experienced trucking accident lawyer knows this expert can help prove your injuries were caused by negligence. Our office believes that hiring this witness can be a crucial part in building a strong case. Because of the size difference between a tractor-trailer and a passenger car or truck, any accidents that occur are usually more serious. Currently, trucks can weigh up to 80,000 pounds, and the industry keeps pushing the legislature to increase the limit to 100,000 pounds or more. The truck will simply do more damage to an automobile in an accident. Because of this, federal law requires that trucking companies carry large insurance limits. While this could potentially be good news for you and your claim, it also means that the insurance company will fight harder to keep that money from leaving their pocket. The insurance company's attorneys will do everything they can to pay you as little as possible. They are hoping to chip away at your case so you will settle for less. It is these types of cases where you need an experienced trucking accident attorney on your side. If you have been injured in a semi-truck accident, call RSH Legal at 1-800-433-0283.